If you're just joining us, this summer we have moved onto our catamaran Lagoon 450 and are currently sailing the Mediterranean. In this episode, we arrive on Corfu Island, Greece. We immerse ourselves in the stunning vistas of Cape Drastis and explore the enchanting streets of Corfu's Old Town. Make sure to watch until the end as we hire a car and uncover Corfu's best hidden bay, climbing down steep cliffs to the most beautiful secret beach, before taking a trip to a breathtaking cliffside bar. If you like our content, please hit that subscribe button now. It's free and it helps us so much as we continue to share our travel experiences.
We are arriving at Cape Drastis. Just over my shoulder are the famous cliffs that jut out into the water. We're about to sail in and have a look, and I can't wait to see what it's all about.
Cape Drastis is a stunning natural landmark known for its rugged cliffs, turquoise waters, and picturesque rock formations that create a unique and breathtaking coastal landscape, making it a must-visit destination for nature enthusiasts and travelers seeking a coastline like no other. Time to get in the water and head to Cape Drastis from the ocean side. We have obviously made our own way to Cape Drastis via our catamaran, but there are tours that go from the mainland. Everyone climbs the little island in the middle of the bay, and we're going to check for depth and see if we can do some cliff diving.
So cool here. All these big cliffs behind us. It's awesome. Just made it into Corfu Old Town and it looks pretty cool. We're currently anchored for free with views of the old Corfu Fort.
At the moment it's 34 degrees, but it feels like 40. Disgusting.
Sweating out the toxins. I'm all about that healthy life.
We have made our way into what seems the center of Corfu town and the main shopping area, which has all the big brands.
We were just walking through the village and we've come across this sweets shop that has a massive line, so check it out. Looks pretty damn good. We've gone with the ice cream.
It is beautiful. Yes. They make it on site and I can't even explain how yum this is.
This is the Corfu Fort, which we're going into now. So at the entrance, it's €6 entrance fee. We were just about to pay and a legend of a bloke just came to us and he passed us his tickets for free. Not often there's a good Samaritan like that, and I mean, I'm so stoked.
The Corfu Old Fortress is a historic Venetian fortress built in the 16th century to defend against naval invasions and pirate attacks. With its imposing walls and commanding views of the sea, the fort stands as a prominent reminder of the island's strategic significance and architectural heritage.
Rain, bang. We're gonna go up to the top there. Worth the climb, Rain?
Yeah, definitely worth the climb.
It would be super nice up here at sunset. The sun's still about 2 hours from setting, so if you do get the chance, come up for sunset.
We have gone and got a really cheap Euros, like €4, and now we're sitting on the grass, which is just out front of the main town in Corfu, and it looks over the fort that we were just in. Just gonna chill and love this cat and enjoy our meal.
Oh, here's the cat.
Now it's time to go and do some shopping and have a little wander around the old town. The buildings are super run down and old. Gives this place some character. The old town really turns it on in the evenings. There's people out, the shops are open, and it's a lot cooler. So if you do come out, I suggest coming out from the evening onwards. Another day and another problem on the Graduate. Today our generator is not turning on and we are currently struggling to get it started. I'm not 100% sure what the problem is, and it is literally 37 degrees outside, so working on this problem is killing us.
Okay, update on the generator scenario. I think we may have found the problem. The impeller pump has lost its connection. There's heaps of salt in here that's corroded it. So we're going to try and reconnect that up and see if we have some success. We've put our 2 new connectors on. So now hopefully this is our solution.
Still trying to fix the Jenny. About to head into the water to check the saltwater intake isn't blocked. So it's just in here. So under here there's 3 valves. I've got to check that they're not blocked.
There's no luck there on that, so we've exhausted the extent of our knowledge. Calling in the backup, the mechanic.
There's some rumbling, which means I think they've managed to get that generator back up and running. We have sailed up the coast of Corfu and we are stopping at Barbati Beach, which looks beautiful. And we are off to the beach and beyond. The beach is lined with heaps of umbrella beds, 15 euros for the set, and lots of beautiful restaurants which you can dine and get cocktails. So we are all set up on Barbati Beach, which is just up from Barbati Beach, and it's a lot more secluded. It's just under the new Barbati restaurant, and honestly, you can't beat this. Look at that. Brad and I have decided to hire a car and go and explore some of Corfu's west coast. We are in the rural suburbs.
Out in the farmlands.
So we've made it to the top car park of one of the spots we're checking out today. It's called Giali Beach. You follow a dirt road past a stop sign which takes you down the cliffs.
Where are we going? Hopefully. We just met some German tourists and they were hiking down and they said they had to turn around because it was a bit too hectic. When you guys come, make sure you wear proper trainers.
Or be brave and just go barefoot like
Rain's gone, au naturel. Most treacherous part would seem.
And the last leg.
Absolutely.
But it definitely looks worth every second. As difficult as it is to get down here, it is definitely worth the hike. It is honestly spectacular. Packed some sandwiches, so we're gonna have some lunch with a view. Got the snorkels, gonna go do some diving.
We're also going to check out, see if there's any good spots for some cliff jumping.
If you do end up making the long trek down to this amazing beach, be sure to bring an umbrella because there is not a lot of shade down here, and those who come down without one are suffering and
Big time.
trying to find shade in like the smallest little crevices.
It's sad to say goodbye to such a beautiful beach, but all good things must come to an end. Make sure you bring lots and lots of water.
Because that uphill is a grind.
Slog. It's a dirty slog.
Yeah, we're gonna enjoy a peach and relax while the aircon kicks in, and then we're gonna head to our next destination.
Alright, we're going down to the Grotto Bar.
Music's playing and the view over the grotto is beautiful.
Alright, we're going for a cliff jump. Cliff jump 1, cliff jump 2.
The Grotto Bar is definitely a good way to end a day out on the water.
Nice, it's in the shade, perfect place for a cold brewski and some good tunes and good cliff jumping.
Get ready for an exhilarating adventure on our next episode as we rev up our quad bikes to explore every corner of the stunning island of Paxos and Anti-Paxos. From powdery beaches to crystal clear waters, we are your guide to the ultimate beach hopping experience. We reveal untouched beaches, perfect for free diving and underwater exploration that will leave you breathless. And we show you the most scenic restaurant in Anti-Paxos, the perfect spot for a leisurely seaside lunch
with the best food and most amazing view. But that's not all. We also have a shock encounter with a huge Mediterranean monk seal, one of the world's most endangered marine mammals. Like and subscribe to follow along with our top line travels.